Let's look at our winter alerts. Now, remember about 20 minutes ago when I said I'm thinking maybe Colorado Springs will be added to this? Well, that decision has been made, and the National Weather Service has added Colorado Springs to the winter weather advisory, and it's upgraded northern El Paso County to a winter storm warning. There's also been an upgrade to a winter storm warning for portions of Fremont County here. So all the areas that you see lit up in a color, expecting to see significant impacts from the snow tomorrow. Those who are not under any kind of winter alert, you're still going to see snow, just not as much. Here's our strong jet stream digging into the Great Basin region and Nevada, and it's bringing in the moisture and the energy that is going to supply us with this snowfall tonight. Ahead of this storm, we do have a few showers, rain right now for the Palmer Divide region, and snow showers in our mountains right now, mix of rain and snow in Fremont County. These rain showers will transition over to snow showers tonight after sunset. We're going to have a cold front come in, bring in that cold air from the north, and we'll see the snow expand overnight. So the Pikes Peak region gets the heaviest snow starting at about 8 o'clock, and then the rest of the region joins the party overnight into early Wednesday morning. This is 8 a.m. We'll see snow showers off and on across our entire area. Then we'll start to see some drier air filter in on Wednesday, and this storm isn't done yet. We're going to see another round coming in Thursday to Friday, but let's focus on this first round. Tonight we're going to drop into the teens, 20s, low 30s, and our high temperatures tomorrow. Not going to get out of the 30s for most of us, 20s in the mountains, so it's packing a punch with cold air, and it's packing a punch with snowfall for many of us as well. So here's a wide look at that snow, just a couple inches for the southeastern plains. Along I-70, we've got a highlight of about 3 to 7 inches. The mountains, of course, going to get quite a bit of snow from half a foot to a foot or more. Let's zoom in region by region, neighborhood by neighborhood. Here in El Paso, Teller County, you'll see most of that snow. Northern El Paso County and Teller County, I've got a general range of 2 to 5 for the Springs proper, and the Arkansas River Zone 1 to 4 for Pueblo, 4 to 7 Canyon City, 12 to 18 for San Isabel, 12 to 18 for Rye and Beulah, about 12 to 18 for La Vida as well, and 6 to 10 Walsenburg, Aguilar, 5 to 10 for Trinidad. I mentioned we're not done there. Well, here's a winter storm watch from Wednesday night through Friday, favoring our southern counties with this next round of snow, but everyone is likely to get some snow Thursday to Friday. Looks like that heaviest stuff will favor areas in the southeastern plains. So looking ahead, the rest of the week is going to be dominated by cold temperatures, periodic snow showers. I'm happy to say the storm looks to move out just in time for the parade for Saturday, for the Veterans Day parade. Of course, Veterans Day is on Monday, but we will be cold for the parade starting at 11. The high that day only 49. In Pueblo, I've got you to the 30s the next couple of days. Friday, we'll start to see a little bit more sunshine, warming up just a little bit, but snow showers do look likely off and on throughout the next 3 days. The heaviest stuff will be overnight into tomorrow. Canyon City, we've got snow showers in the forecast through Friday, looking drier and back to the 50s over the weekend into early next week, and finally for Woodland Park, snowy for the next 24 hours. We'll get a bit of a dry slap before the next round comes in Thursday to Friday. After a very warm October, November is coming in with a bang. We've had multiple rounds of snow already this month, and we're looking at several more days of snowfall. So let's get you situated with our storm. Got a strong jet stream coming down the Great Basin, bringing in a lot of moisture and energy into Colorado. And it's not just tonight into tomorrow. We're going to see a second round of snow Thursday into Friday as this storm cuts off from the jet stream and just lingers near Colorado as we head through the rest of the week. So for this first round, coming in tonight into Wednesday, we have winter weather advisories in purple, winter storm warnings in pink. They all go through either 5 p.m. Wednesday or 11 p.m. Wednesday. Those 11 p.m. time frames are further south where it lingers a little longer. And then we already have a winter storm watch in place for the southern counties of our region from Wednesday night into Friday with that second round of moisture. So we've got snow-covered roads in Colorado Springs. We've had heavy snow snowfall for the evening so far, and it's really mostly been into Fremont County, up into the Pikes Peak region, the Palmer Divide. Pueblo, you have been dry so far, but I am watching this snow expand as we head overnight. So we are likely to see this snow move south along I-25 into the overnight hours. We'll also see that wraparound moisture here for the plains into the early morning hours of Wednesday. So we've got some pretty widespread snow at this point by Wednesday morning. We'll likely see this taper off throughout Wednesday afternoon. We will see some dry spots here and there throughout Wednesday evening. But as we progress into the later part of the night, Wednesday, here's 11 p.m. This is our second surge of snow already coming back in. So these snow totals here on my map are through Wednesday at about 10 o'clock. So I've got a good dose of snow for the Palmer Divide, for our mountains and southern I-25. We have a little bit of a higher uncertainty here for the southeastern plains, depending on when that second round of snow starts moving in. So here's your neighborhood by neighborhood outlook. A solid 2 to 7 inches across Colorado Springs, more for Monument and the Tri-Lakes, Black Forest, where we have that winter storm warning. And we'll see quite a bit of snowfall for the wet mountains, about a foot or so. Then we'll see the 1 to 4 inch range for most of the Arkansas River. Canyon City a little more, 4 to 7 for you. 6 to 10 Walsenburg through Trinidad. You've been dry so far. Expect to see that snow move in late tonight. Now, as we progress into Wednesday night, so fast forwarding to that second round of snow, I know it looks kind of like a blobby mess right now. Just know the more saturated color you have, the higher likelihood of seeing precipitation. This carries through Thursday afternoon here. A bit of a breakup in the snow early on Friday, but then we are likely to see still accumulating snowfall through Friday afternoon. After that, we are going to start to clear out. So Saturday, for the Veterans Day parade, there's likely to be snow on the ground, but the sun is coming back out. We'll start to see that melt. Then we're back to the upper 50s on Sunday, and we'll have sunshine into early next week. So for Pueblo, we'll have periods of snow showers here for the next 3 days. It's going to be cold as well. So plan for a slick morning commute probably every day. Canyon City, you're kind of in the same boat. Tomorrow morning's commute is going to be icy, slushy, or snowy, depending on how much you see that road traveled. We'll stay cool with snow showers through Friday. Woodland Park, you're going to have some major impacts to travel tomorrow, and I'm continuing to watch that Thursday, Friday time frame. I'll let you know snow totals for that by tomorrow. Diane.